I ain't drunk. I'm just drinking.
But you're so high.
Oh man, you know I ain't high.
But you're so high.
Yeah, well I just take a little sip every now and then.
But you're so high.
You ought to be ashamed of
Stay
yourself.
drunk all
Oh,
the
come
time.
on now, you all don't feel like that.
Bam! Hey kids, welcome back. Happy Hump Day. Yes, it's Wednesday. This is just a quick short video. I've really been slacking off on the whole Patriot Blades charity event multi-rotor sales. So I need to get my ass in gear. I got 3 birds sitting here that we need to sell so we can donate some money. So the first one that we're going to do, and it's already up on the Patriot Blades website, and in the description below there is a link directly to the what used to be the auction site. I don't do the auctions anymore because it's just too much of a pain in the ass, so now it's just a hard sale price, and the first person to buy it contacts me, whatever else, bam, they get it. The shipping will be about $8 to $10, something like that. But this first one, which is what we're going to do today, is by my good friend, Mr. Arby. And out of the goodness of his heart, he donated his time, the build, and everything. 100% of this is going to the St. Jude's Children's Hospital Charity Fund. So God bless you for that, Mr. Arby. It's awesome. He's a great guy, very meticulous builder. It's the Puda X220 frame, if I remember right. And he did a custom paint job on it, which turned out really nice with this matte finish. We're running the RS2205 EMAX 2300 kV, so we got some good monsters on there. We got some motor feet, TPU printed motor feet. It's running the Dow RC F405, I believe, flight controller with the Dow engine ESC 40 amp. Very freaking cool. Foxeer Predator Micro, 1000 TVL camera, and it's running the Holy Bro, I can never remember the name of it, that VTX. Great VTX, and it's got a Foxeer Pagoda, and comes complete with a little LED package and beeper on the back, and we also comes with an XM for FR Sky receiver. So shoot over to the Patriot Blades website. I got a couple other pictures up there on for this bird. It's got the battery pad and all that as well. It's a beautiful, beautiful build. So if you guys want a nice quad, great build, great components, it's pretty much build cost, and 100% of it is going to go to St. Jude. So when this sells on the channel, I will donate the money to St. Jude. So keep your shiny side up, kids. Want a good new quad and want to do some good as well, stick around. Go buy this. Take care. Bye.